Hey YouTube. It's me, Chandler. Hey YouTube. It's Chandler here for Draw Like a Nerd, and we're getting back at it with another Pokemon. And today's episode is going to be Pokemon number 196, Espeon, the Sun Pokemon. So let's get into it. Now, what we're going to do for this, Espeon's got like a lot of sort of like extraneous things, and not like isn't necessarily as centralized, I think, as the other Pokemon. So what I'm going to do here is sort of, hold on, I've got to give you your source guides. There it is, and linked below for anybody who wants to draw along with me. So now for this, Espeon's got a lot of extraneous body parts here. So to help me sort of visualize where everything's going to go, before I get into with the light drawing for the specific body parts, we're just going to kind of guesstimate like where everything's going to go. So we're going to like box it in. So like this box-ish right here is going to be Espeon's head. This box is going to be Espeon's body. Then we have room for legs to come off in these places. And a tail. There we go. A very, very boxy Espeon that we're going to now get into with a bit more detail, but comparatively more detail, but in actuality not like a lot of detail. So let's get in there with a head. At this point, guys, if you're thinking, wow, it's really looking kind of like a mess, you're right. I'm thinking the same thing, at least. And this is one of the parts in drawing where, like, when you're just starting out and it's not quite coming out the way you thought it would at this point, that you just got to keep pushing on, keep pushing through, because eventually you'll find what you're looking for. Don't get discouraged. There is our Espeon body. Pretty simple, but also a little bit of a challenge just because there is so little to really work with, and getting the slender features right, or how I wanted to make them look. So sort of deceptively simple, right? This right here. Moving on. Let's hit up this tail. This should be simple, and I don't anticipate this being deceptively so. And again with this tail, gonna kind of take it off its own way. Probably gonna stay true to the basic form of what the tail's looking like in the picture. Okay, these tails are the tail's a bit more thin than what's being shown in the picture, but you know what? I'm gonna make that a choice. A chosen deviation from what the picture actually has. And nobody can stop me. Okay, there's our tail. Again, not something that was particularly difficult. Pretty easy. So let's get this head done, and then we'll be done. unfortunately, it looks like, and I thought this might happen, but you know, it looks like our ear here is going off the edge, and it's just kind of do that, which is okay. I expected it. I thought it might happen, and we'll just have to work with it like that. Okay, let's keep this ball rolling along, and we'll get into Espeon's face. What's interesting is that Espeon doesn't really typically show its mouth. It's always closed. So we're not going to change that with this picture because in place of a mouth, Espeon has this big old ruby or generic gem in its forehead. So let's get into that. And there's our Espeon. Looks pretty good, considering some of the difficulties we kind of had, but I'm pretty happy with it, and at the end of the day, that's all that matters. Gotta say, this is probably the first one where the eyes aren't gonna give me nightmares at the end of the night. You know, because there's just no other things to put in here. The rest is just colored. Cool. All right. So that'll do it for this episode, and I will see all you guys back in the room. Bye!
And that's the end of today's video, guys. Did you like it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you did like it, make sure you hit that like button. And if you think other people would like it, hit that share button. And if you want to see the next episode, subscribe. I got videos here every Tuesday and Thursday, but until then, I'm Chandler, you're the best, and this is Draw Like a Nerd. Bye!